This is a 4L puzzle and it has absolutely fantastic solution, which I will show you in a minute. The goal of this puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the box, but when you try to solve it, you will find that you can easily fit 3 parts, but there is not enough space for the last piece. This puzzle was designed by Yasuhiro Hashimoto and made by Greg Puzzles. If you like the 4L puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can get it at puzzlemaster.ca. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. And now I'll show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, take a close look at the parts. There are 2 kinds of parts. There are 2 pieces that look like that and 2 more pieces that are a little bit different. They are all like a L-shaped part, but this one is a little bit like wider. This one is a little bit smaller. Next, what you have to do is to put the parts in a correct way inside the box, which is quite tricky. You start by putting this piece inside. Here is the most important part. You have to rotate it like that. Then you grab this piece, put it inside to the right, and you have to rotate it as well and drop it down like that. Then you grab another one of those smaller L-shaped pieces, put it inside to the right. But here is a very important part. You have to move this piece up, and to do that you have to flip the box. Then you tilt the box so that the piece that is on the bottom will slide under this part. Then this piece drops down. Move the box to the right so this piece will go to the right. And now you have just enough space to fit the last part, not like that, but like that. And the puzzle is solved. All parts are inside of the box. No pieces are sticking out. And it is absolutely fantastic solution. If you like the 4L puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles, go to puzzlemaster.ca.